Jackson here. Now today we're actually going down to my church. If you didn't know, I have model rockets. They're really cool. And yeah, we're gonna get some footage of me launching them. And they go pretty high. They go about 100 foot in the air. I don't know, probably something like that. So yeah. So now I'm setting the rocket up to launch. Oh, Dad, I think that tonight I want to eat dinner at lunchtime. You get the joke?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I've set it up for launch now. Alright, ready? Let me double check something. Alright, we're good. And 3, I really hope this works. 2, I don't think it's gonna work. 1, come on baby, work. I figured the fuse is bad.
What's the problem?
The fuse is bad. Now, okay, so now I'm actually getting the rocket set up. Well, the fuse was bad, so I have a new fuse in here now. And hopefully it will work. Clamped on. Nope. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's do this, guys. Alright. There's a point. Alright, Mr. Cameraman, countdown, please. Or Mr. Man.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on! Now, okay, so now I'm actually getting the rocket set up. Well, the fuse was bad, so I have a new fuse in here now. And hopefully it will work. Clamped on. Nope. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's do this, guys. Alright. There's a point. Alright, Mr. Cameraman, countdown, please. Or Mr. Man.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on! So apparently, guys, the knot wasn't tied very well, so the parachute came off the rocket. As you can see here, this is the parachute. It completely fell off the rocket, so I will retie that really quick. And then yeah, we'll get to the next launch. So apparently, guys, the knot wasn't tied very well, so the parachute came off the rocket. As you can see here, this is the parachute. It completely fell off the rocket, so I will retie that really quick. And then yeah, we'll get to the next launch.
Alright.
So also, guys, if you have rockets, I recommend, if you don't know how to do it, I say do a fishing hook tie. It really does a good job to tie on the rubber band with. I can't even start to explain how good of a job it does. It does that good of a job. Because you know me, I like to fish, and I also have a new fishing channel. It's called Trio Fishing. It has my brother in it, which his name is Stealthy Ninja on YouTube. And then it has my cousin in it. He doesn't have a YouTube channel yet, so I'll see you in the next launch. So now I'm launching a cool little pink rocket that I actually kind of like. Put that in there. And let's go launch. So I'll show you how you do it. So what you do, there's a little thing here. It's like a little inner tube right there. You stick the thing down into there. Alright, guys, this is a really fun hobby. If you like things going in the air, I really recommend doing this as a hobby. I mean, it's really fun. I like it. And it's just awesome. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, alright, let's get to the launch. Now, keep in mind, guys, I've never launched this before. It also kind of has a broken fin, so it might do something different. I don't know. So, cameraman, another countdown.
3, 2, 1. Uh-oh.
Holy cow, that went high, guys. Guys, that went humongously high. I don't think we're ever going to get that rocket back. Guys, we'll go and see if we can try to get that rocket back. Oh, guys, come on, guys, come on. I gotta keep recording. All right, guys, come on. We can get that rocket back. Come on. I'm kind of surprised that we were able to get that rocket back. Guys, this is amazing. We have able to get this rocket. I also thought the rocket itself was going to go on the roof. Alright, guys. Same thing happened with this one. The line broke, so I probably came apart. Now, keep in mind, these are really old rockets. And here's the top part. Little nose cone. Now that's got the actual rock right here. See what I mean, guys? It has a broken fin. So yeah. Whew. Alright, guys. The problem was we didn't have the right kind of rockets. I don't know why it didn't work with that rocket. Shouldn't it have worked with that rocket, Dad?
Maybe the rocket was bad. Maybe it was used up.
Yeah, I never used those rockets, so I don't know. That might be used up because I don't know what those look like when they're used up. I bet it was used up though. But if you guys have ever shot a gun, these smell like what a gun smells like after you're done shooting it. It's like shooting the gun. These smell like that once you're done launching them. So yeah, I love doing this, guys. It's a ton of fun. I also like RCs, which are radio controlled by a radio. And guys, also I haven't done this in a long time actually. I haven't done this in a few years actually. Now, when was the last time I did this?
I don't know. Probably last spring. Last summer maybe.
Yeah, guys, I haven't done this in a long time, and I still remember it. It's really easy to remember how to set up. Alright, guys, let's go do it. We might want to get this rocket out of the way.
Disconnected again.
What?
Did it get disconnected?
What?
The rocket?
No, I just connected it. Alright.
I know, but you moved it. You hit the cord.
It's still connected.
Okay.
Alrighty. Mr. Cameraman?
What?
Alright, ready to start.
3.
So, Mr. Cameraman, hold on. So, you see, guys, you have to push this in. Like that. You have to push that in and then press that. So
3, 2, 1.
That was cool, guys. Come on, let's go get it. Now the tip might be broken. I don't know. Probably because it's actually a pointy tip. And also, if it had time to put the parachute out, it would have worked a lot better. So let's check this out. Me personally, I'm kind of scared. I bet the point went in the ground like usually did. Oh man, guys! So this rocket actually came in half, which it'll still work. But see what I mean, guys? Look at that. That rocket literally went into the ground, like I expected it to. That's kind of funny, guys. I mean, look how dirty that gets. Rockets are awesome. So Let's go launch it again, but it tilted upwards. Alrighty guys, so we just found it. The part that came off the rocket, for some reason, I don't know why it did this, but when it launched, this fell out right here. This is what we lost, see? You can see right through it, so. Honestly guys, I have no clue why I did that. I'm not a rocket specialist yet, but I will become one. Now my two main hobbies are model stuff, so like, right now I'm into RC, like I said, and model rockets. Now, this is the end of the video. Alright guys, so we just found it. The part that came off the rocket, for some reason, I don't know why I did this, but when it launched, this fell out right here. This is what we lost, see? You can see right through it, so. Honestly guys, I have no clue why I did that. I'm not a rocket specialist yet, but I will become one. Now my two main hobbies are model stuff, so like, right now I'm into RC, like I said, and model rockets. Now, this is the end of the video. Bye.